Hello friends, I am Poonam and today we discuss the topic neuron as a structural and functional unit of the neural system belong to the chapter neural control and the coordination from the subject biology and class 11. So the first topic is neuron structural unit of the neural system. So neuron is microscopic structure composed of three major parts, namely cell body, dendrites, and axon. The cell body contains cytoplasm with typical cell organelles, certain granule bodies called as Michel's granules. The axon transmits the nerve impulses away from the cell body to synapse or to neuromuscular junction. So this is the structure of neuron. So we see here the axon. So the neuron is namely composed of dendrites, axon, and the cell body. Based on number of axon and dendrites, the neurons are divided into three types. So the first is multipolar, bipolar, and unipolar. There are two types of axons, that is myelinated and non-myelinated. So we see here the diagram. This is a myelin sheet and the myelinated nerve fibers form the myelin sheet around the axon. The unmyelinated nerve fibers does not form the myelin sheet around the axon and found in the autonomous and somatic nervous system. Then generation and conduction of nerve impulses. Neurons are excitable cell because their membrane are in polarized state. The axonal membrane is more permeable to potassium ion and non-permeable to sodium ion. Consequently, the exoplasm inside the axon contains high concentration of potassium ion and negatively charged protein and low concentration of sodium ion. So, in a contrast, in the outside of the axon, it contains the low concentration of potassium ion and high concentration of sodium ion. As a result, the outer surface of axonal membrane possesses positive charge while the inner surface possesses negative charge and therefore it polarizes. The electric potential difference across the resting plasma membrane is called as the resting potential. The electric potential difference across the plasma membrane at the site A is called as a nerve impulses. So, the current flow on the inner surface from site A to site B, and on the outer surface, current flow from the site B to site A to complete the circuit of the current flow. Hence, the polarity at the site is reversed and action potential is generated at the site B. Thus, the impulses generated at site A arrive site B. The sequence is repeated along the length of axon and impulses is conducted. So next point is transmission of the impulses. A nerve impulses is transmitted from one neuron to another through the junction. So it is called as synapses. Synapses is a formed by membrane of presynaptic neuron and postsynaptic neuron, which may or may not separated by a gap is called as synaptic cleft. So we see here the diagram. This is a presynaptic membrane and this is a postsynaptic membrane, and the gap between them it is called as synaptic cleft. Then there are two types of synapses, namely electric synapses and chemical synapses. So, electric synapses, the current flow directly from one neuron into another across these synapses. And impulse transmission across an electric synapses is always faster than chemical synapses. So, electric synapses are rare in our system, but chemical synapses, membrane of the pre and post synaptic neurons, are separated by the fluid filled space called as synaptic cleft. The axon terminals contain vesicles filled with these neurotransmitters, and the released neurotransmitter bind to their specific receptors. So, thank you.